We're out in the jungle, we got lost. What were we doing, Anthony?
We were searching for nothing. There is one from here.
Shit, bro, got water in my mouth. Let's go some water. Natural water.
One week later.
Derek, this ugly guy, let's move out the way. Hey, yo, bro. Bro, oh my god. We're in a freaking bush right now.
Bacon. Yeah, some bacon.
That's right, that's right. You got lucky. That spawned there. Using my muscles. My strong muscles, stronger than Derek.
How hungry? I'm here and you.
Look at this freaking waterfall. That's crazy.